What's going on, guys? This is Erik with the Get Me Out of Here vlog. I'm near the town of Shullsburg, Wisconsin at this mysterious location known as Gravity Hill. Now, I've heard of these superstitious anti-gravity hill locations before across the United States, but I've never actually done one. So I've got my car, Maz 6, all ready to go. I'm gonna try this. It looks fairly easy. The instructions say to put your car in neutral and enjoy rolling uphill and defying the laws of gravity. Well, that's just what I'm gonna do. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's do this. Let's experience Gravity Hill. And what's gonna be interesting to me is this hill here that I just went down it's a pretty good sized little curvy hill. This is pretty flat. I can't tell if there is an uphill grade to this or not. But you know what? I am going to park my car in neutral and give this a try. It's a little nerve-wracking because if a car comes flying down that windy road, yeah, I'm kind of like right around a blind curve, it almost seems like. So anyway, hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm gonna give this a try. This is Gravity Hill here in southern Wisconsin near the town of Shullsburg. I think I see the water tower of Shullsburg way over there in the distance. So let's give this a try. What's going on, cows? He's not even looking at me. So yeah, I guess the cows are the only audience. They know this true secret of Gravity Hill and whether or not we are really defying gravity. Well, let's try it out. I think it's doing it. It is going. I guess, you know, this is the confusing thing. I don't know if it kind of looks like an uphill grade, but not really. But it is definitely, I am not powering this car. It is in neutral right now. We're doing it. And there's another couple that actually, there's another car behind me that is trying it now too, which is pretty funny. Cool. Okay, so now I think, okay, so if that was uphill, so to speak, we are now going downhill, because now I think we've reached the peak of that, and it's going downhill. All right, you know what? Let's try this one more time. Let's try this one more time. I'm not convinced yet. Let's do it again. So here we are. I'm parking. I'm gonna come to a complete stop at the sign, and got my camera outside, filming this. I'm gonna try this one more time. Best, I was gonna say 2 out of 3, but I'm not really gonna do this 3 times. Let's do one more take. And I'm gonna bring you guys further up. Okay. You can kind of, like, maybe there's a slight uphill. You know, it's hard to tell. It goes downhill there. But, all right, let's set you here. Maybe. All right, one more time. Okay, I am parked at the sign. GoPro's on, my Sony's on. Got my iPhone here, here we go. Putting this into neutral, not reverse, neutral. All right, let's go. Foot off the brake. Okay, nothing's really happening. We're slowly cruising. Okay, we're picking up speed slightly. It's going, look, it's rolling. We are cruising at less than 5 miles an hour. My foot is not on the pedal. We're in neutral. It's actually working. We're speeding up. Here we go, Gravity Hill. There's my Sony camera outside, documenting this from a different perspective. Yeah, we're starting, look at that. Now we're going like 1 mile an hour. Now we're going like 3, 4, almost to 5. It's a low speed adventure. Interesting. Yeah, I've never done these gravity hill things before, so this is I don't know. It's weird. Okay, now I think we're over that crest and we're going downhill now. Okay, so yeah, we're speeding up. So that is it. I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna turn this around. Yeah, I don't recommend anybody to be filming and driving, but hey, you know what? This is one of those instances that, as long as you're being careful, they have a freaking county sign inviting you to do it, so why not? Now, there's another sign on the opposite end of the road with this bigger hill. I'm gonna try this experiment now on that, just to see how far we go. I don't think we're gonna make it up that hill. That'd be insane if we did, but hey, it's here. We're gonna do it. We're gonna try it. We'll find out. Okay, so here's the other one. I think it worked. Woo. Okay. This is so stupid, but it's fun at the same time. Okay, so it worked going from the bottom of that bigger hill across this, you know, I think it's a flat grade, but did speed up a little bit. You know, I still don't think it looks like you're going uphill, but you know, the county's having fun with this, so I'm gonna have fun with it too. This one I don't think is gonna be possible, but there's another sign here, another gravity hill sign for Lafayette County. Hashtag Gravity Hill WI for Wisconsin. We're gonna do this one, okay. I don't think I'm gonna make it very far, but hey, they're inviting us to do it. It's a quirky roadside attraction. I can't say no, so without further ado, I'm gonna set up over here. We're gonna do this one on this side too. All right, I'm getting my exercise. I haven't had this much fun on the side of the road since my Iowa DOT days. Okay. Now I'm going to try it on this steep hill because there's another gravity hill sign on this side of the road as well. So, without further ado, I'm documenting this on a GoPro and my Sony camera, which is out on the shoulder. So, let's do this. I'm documenting this. Neutral, foot off. Oh no, we're going backwards. And we're going backwards. Okay. So I guess you can do this forwards or backwards. Look at this. We are literally driving backwards in neutral up a small incline, apparently. Gravity Hill. Do 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 do. And I'm looking, there's no traffic behind me. That's the one nice thing, is this is a clear, open road. This is great. Look at this. Oh, you can't see there. We're going backwards. Backwards up Gravity Hill. I'm going like 3 miles an hour. The cows are just sitting there rolling their eyes like, look at this idiot. These crazy people doing this out in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. All right, so that was my experiment. I'm gonna stop right there. So yeah, interesting. Now I gotta get my camera. She didn't want to wave at me. All right, but here you have it. This is Gravity Hill here in Wisconsin. And I don't know. these things are tacky to me, but they're fun. You can kind of, I mean, obviously there's a downward grade because you have a massive hill right here that just kind of straightens out. So I'm really a little, how much of an illusion is that? I don't know, but it is fun to do. Okay, well, there you have it. This has been Gravity Hill here in Lafayette County, Wisconsin, near the town of Shullsburg, right next to a cow pasture. And I did it both ways. I tried going forwards and in reverse. So this has been an interesting experiment, to say the least. If you're ever in southern Wisconsin and you feel the need, not for speed, but for a gradual incline, come to Gravity Hill. It will defy your mind. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Erik. It is time for me to get out of here. Today.